6.7 million people thought they were ripping apart an AI generated Monet painting, but it was real. So basically, there was this guy who zoomed in a Monet's painting and he posted it on X and he wrote as a
कैप्शन
not a caption जैसे हुआ था ना watermark. So
मेड
he
विथ एआई
हाँ तो he made a watermark underneath ki made with AI and then people started कि obviously it is AI, look at the color, look at how it's not coming perfectly, how it is not real Monet, and they started pointing out all the differences कि real Monet painting is like this, the colors pop out, the watercolors seams, the oil colors are this way, but look at this, it is so flat and all that. How did you take that?
there's one layer that we have to look at in this. I'll just read out the tweet that he mentioned. You said कि उसने zoom किया and made with AI डाला, but the interesting thing is the tweet that which he wrote. So I'll just read it out. He said, I just generated an image in the style of a Monet painting using AI. Please describe in as much detail as possible what makes this inferior to a real Monet painting. So he has prompted the people to act in a certain way, which is what we do with LLMs. We prompt the LLM to give the output in a certain way. Now, because he has asked them and has categorically mentioned that I have created this using AI, and now your job is to tell me what makes this inferior. And like it said, like the medium is the message. Now, if he's putting it on Twitter, वो ऐसा
Twitter
लगा के ये
अलग
आग
लेवल
लगा दिया ना उसने,
उससे ज्यादा टॉक्सिक प्लेस कहीं नहीं है.
तो पब्लिक को तो फ्री रेन मिल गया. अच्छा ये भाई ने बोला है कि एआई बनाओ और वो बोल रहा है कि इसका चीर फाड़ करो, तो फिर सब कूद गए.
There's a interesting thing that I came across. There was this woman who posted this one get ready with me, and she posted that on X, and a guy, like a sweet guy, came into the comments and said, lady, this is not the place to do this. Please do it on Instagram. You won't feel any good here. People's gonna like rip you apart. So yeah, the X is not the best platform if you want something prompted in this certain way.
But यहाँ पे it served its purpose, like because he wanted that to happen.
that thing to arise. But यहाँ पे भी the real critic जो कि actually art critic हैं, they came and जैसे art historian बहुत directly he came and said कि no, it is actually real Monet, because and he was quite blunt with his language, because all of that he said, what the fuck dude, this is a detail from the actual late Monet. You can tell because the brush strokes are so similar in the MoMA. Late ones always had the kind of wild impasto. As you said, the someone with subject matter expertise, he came and said no, you can't fool this shit out of us, we know what it is. So like there's still some saving grace that I sometimes feel like okay, people actually held knowledge and they was not just fluttering around.
This raises the importance of subject matter experts.
Yeah.
And AI in the hands of a subject matter expert can function at another level altogether.
Yeah.
And people need to be self-aware as to, okay, is this my expertise or not? And how do I go about it? So that is something that we need to look at while interacting with AI. So another research kind of related to that, research pointed out that people value art more when they believe it required significant human effort to create.
Or a certain sacrifice.
Yeah, effort can mean that way. So जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, कारीगरों ने बनाया है, इतना टाइम लेके बनाया है. Well, that's a different story. But yeah, so there is a negative bias to AI generated content when it is explicitly mentioned that this is AI generated. And then there is a positive bias to human generated content when it is explicitly mentioned.
Yeah.
So which again comes to we kind of value art more when they believe it required certain human effort.
Because we can experience now. Because if I say, okay, oh, this particular painting shows grief, and I'm familiar with the idea of grief, so I can relate, okay, the type of grief he was feeling, I must have also felt at various times in my life. So I can relate to that, and I can actually value that. But I can see, okay, AI can't feel anything. So it shouldn't be feeling grief. It shouldn't be feeling happiness. It shouldn't be feeling the light. It shouldn't be feeling why the flowers are beautiful and all of that. I can't relate to that. Like at the core, well, we are honest as beings. We are honest with who we are. We are subjective, cognitive beings who are really, really pathetic in various ways, but beautiful in other. हम बहुत ज़्यादा petty हैं. हम बहुत ज़्यादा jealous हैं. But we have more to love, more to admire. तो वो सबका culmination art में निकल के आता है. And when we say कि अच्छा art भी तुम mimic कर सकते हो, then we feel frustrated. No, you can't, because we know what real art is, because we can feel what the artist felt.
Again, that ties into what we discussed last time about Oscars banning AI writing and acting, and saying, okay, you can use it as a tool, because somewhere down the line that lived experience comes
Matters.
into the picture, and it matters.
Matters more than anything.
Because maybe we also don't know exactly, and we can't point things out. Okay, this is what made me feel something. And that's the connect that we feel, whether it's maybe watching a painting or a movie or listening to a song. We can point out certain craft level things that, you know, it ticked this box. Technically, it was right. XYZ. So all these things AI can also do. Technically, it can do all these things. But that X factor, that is
The
missing.
subjectivity of humankind, वो तो नहीं है उसमें.
Just the one part, I guess, maybe AI will reach a stage where it can create immersive art. I'll not call it good art or bad art or how much we connect with it. Just immersive, just like a reel can be immersive, but it is not fulfilling.
But then it won't be art, because art requires tragedy, and the tragedy of humankind specifically. Then it won't be art. It would be aesthetic, it would be pleasing, it would be emotion evoking, but it won't be art.
What if we call it, just like in the first episode we touched upon, this is not consciousness like human consciousness, maybe it is machine consciousness.
Some other term we
What
need to
if
come
it
out.
comes to a stage where we say, like art you mentioned, art is human art, but we call it something like machine art.
Machine art.
And then
a new term we need to come
maybe
up with.
we are okay to engage with it from that.
But I would like to see, अगर Monet exist नहीं करता, could AI make painting in his style, like on its own?
There is no style to replicate.
Exactly. So there's no reference point. तो वो कभी आ ही नहीं पाती. तो the artist Monet existed regardless of AI, regardless of anything. अगर वो अकेला इंसान होता on this planet, तो भी वो same type की ही art create करता. लेकिन
Also,
AI can't.
he is not, this kind of goes into that spiritual realm, but he is not creating. It's like the absence of ego, and what's left is creating this.
Yeah.
So how do we wrap our mind around this when it comes to AI?